Hi, I'm Sam from Hanko ActTrader, and in this one I'm just going to show you how to navigate through the different tabs, the trading tab, charts, instrument, summary, and also how you can download reports and history. So very self-explanatory, obviously the trading tab, how we can add charts, I showed you that before. The charts tab as well, where we have all the different instruments in your subscribe list, different charts you can have. You can change the time frames, change the actual instrument itself, etc. Instruments is where you have a big list of basically all the instruments on your subscribe list. Summary is basically your account summary, so your profit, loss, things like that, which is obviously useful to know when you're trading. You want to know how you're doing, etc. And reports is again something you can download. So you can actually download, the different statistics. So on the reports tab, this would be very useful for things like when you're doing your taxes. You can download all the information that you need from all your trades, etc. So we can do like the last week, for example, select the account you want, show balance and equity, for example, group them by instrument, etc, etc, etc. Or you could actually do a user-defined date. But we're just going to run a report just to show you how easy it is. So there you go. You have all the trades taken, this week, and it shows you your profit, settled trade, $65, etc, etc, etc. Okay. Shows you how much you would have withdrawn, deposit, everything basically. Okay, so really useful. This is basically what you need if you're doing taxes, things like that. You can open it up in your web browser, and you can also export it to Excel. Okay, so you can go ahead, just export to Excel, and simple as that. You can go ahead, save it. And that's it. And there we go. We now have the report saved. So very, very simple, but very, very useful.